Templates. That's a very powerful tool that's available in the UnitEMR. Generally, what's a template? A template is something which serves as a starting point for any new document. It is probably pre-formatted in some way. Um, in Unite, it is possible to easily create templates and to use them very easily and efficiently. You will be in a position to create templates for diagnosis, case sheets, as well as medication. Let's assume you have patients coming in with similar ailments. Let's assume the physician is a diabetologist. The patients who would be coming in would come in with probably this very similar complaints, and you might be entering very similar diagnosis across various patients, and the procedures and the investigations that you might be suggesting for the patients could be similar. So essentially, you don't have to enter the same set of data repeatedly for different patients. To ease up that process, you have an option wherein you can create a template. How do you create a template? The first time when you see a patient, and for that patient you are entering the data on the various heads, like whatever is the complaints, observations, if there is set of diagnosis, you enter how you would in a normal way. Once this screen is data is filled, then you can go over to this button which says template. Click on this. You can click on create a new template, and then you can say this is for diabetes type 2. So you can create a template like this and save. Once this is saved, any other patient who comes with a similar ailment, similar conditions, you will be in a position to use this template. I'll just quickly show you how to use the template. So we just saw the creation. Now let's see how it's being used. So I pick up another patient. Let's say there is a patient who is here in the queue, and now this is a clean slate as far as the data entry is concerned. There is no data entry made for this patient. So you understand that this patient also falls in the same category of diabetes type 2. So you go ahead and pick up this template, and here you will be able to um, pick up the particular template. Click on that template and you can say append. So it pre-fills the diagnosis, procedures, investigations, whatever data that you have put in your template, it will be pre-filled for this current patient. You also have the option to append multiple patients. For example, this patient might have the complaints of a diabetic patient, as well he might have some rheumatoid concerns. So you can actually have multiple templates applied to the same medical record. So let's assume I pick up the fever also. So these are all the investigations, these are all the diagnoses. So basically you create a profile for a particular ailment, and that can be used repeatedly. It is not that all of these will have to remain. You can actually go ahead, delete what is not required in each of these heads, and if you want to add anything which is specific for this particular patient, that also you can actually go ahead and do it. So you can, in this case, if it's a diagnosis, go to the ICD, and then um, pick up something which is specific for this patient, and you choose this, and that will also get listed as part of this. So you can assume that template is a starting point for you to fill in the medical records. A similar kind of template usage can be seen in medication also. So whatever you enter on the medication tab, that will be saved as a template. And when you go over here, you will see what are the medications that are being saved as a template. So you can actually pick up a template and post that as part of your prescriptions. And you can also do this. You can append multiple templates onto your prescription. So in this case, I'm appending these two templates. So once these two are appended, then I can go ahead and create this as a new template. So click on this prescription template and you say this is new, and you can say this is new diabetes medication. So you can go ahead and save this list as a new template as well. So creating a template is as simple as doing the data entry for the first few patients, refining the data, creating that as a template, and then you will be in a position to go ahead and use this across multiple patients across visits. And the same thing is possible from the case sheet as well. Whatever data that you enter across any of these fields can be actually stored as a template, and from there you can actually pick up a template or multiple templates and append data onto this. So from the case sheet, let's say I go over to the template, I click here and I can say, okay, go ahead and post the ECG template, and then go ahead and post the stress echo template. So all of this is possible. On top of this, then now you can go ahead and edit the data here. So this gives you the pre-formatted record from where you can start to enter the medical records, prescriptions, and case sheet. This feature comes in quite handy and it's quite powerful because it saves a lot of time when you're doing the medical records entry. Plus, it will save you from all the claim related issues, because when you're creating the template, you can think through and then exactly put in as to what could be the diagnosis for a particular procedure if my claims should not be rejecting it. So you can create a template considering all those factors, and therefore when you are consulting with a patient, you don't have to be thinking on those terms and you can just reuse the templates. Thanks for watching.